Today, investors celebrated a major announcement from the healthcare sector. Here's what's moved the market. As a quick reminder, our goal is not to be political commentators. Our goal is to highlight market-defining events and the reasons behind those movements. However, many of these events, including the one we're talking about today, are based on political decisions. Let's now dive into the topic of this short. Tariffs have been a key point of the Trump administration's economic policies. As Trump ramps up tariffs on everything from foreign movies to semiconductors, it's become clear that the goal is to bring countries and companies alike to the negotiating table, not through a carrot, but instead through a stick. Today, one such deal was made. Just last week, the Trump administration announced a 100% tariff on patented pharmaceutical drugs with two major exceptions. Companies with name brand products that are manufactured in the US or building up US-based manufacturing will be exempt. Additionally, products from the EU are excluded from this tariff but are still subjected to the general 15% tariff on EU imports into the US. Interestingly, today's deal covers a third option, cutting a deal with the Trump administration directly. It was announced that Pfizer had reached an agreement with the government. This deal includes the creation of Trump RX, a website that allows consumers to find and purchase discounted medications. But more importantly, Pfizer will be cutting the prices of many of its name brand products to their most favored nation rates. In return, Pfizer received a 3-year exemption from tariffs. It's also worth mentioning that the Trump administration has sought out similar deals from other major pharma companies and expects more deals to be cut as the 100% tariff takes effect tomorrow. But the big question remains, how did the stock market react? Well, it responded positively. Investors rallied behind Pfizer's announcement, with its share price steadily increasing almost 7% over the trading day. With the expectation that other companies will follow suit, the entire healthcare sector led the market in returns with a sizable 2.3% gain. But, as we mentioned, it's likely this story is just beginning. We shouldn't be surprised to see more companies following Pfizer's lead and making deals with the US government. While opinions regarding tariffs are polarizing, the premise of wider access to necessary medications at a more reasonable price is an overall positive for investors and consumers alike. Follow for our ongoing updates on economic events and market-moving moments.